We have this diagram PQRS, which is a square with a diagonal 7 root 2 centimeter, and with P as the center, there is an arc drawn from S to Q so that it makes an area with the diagonal of the square, which is shown as in the shaded portion. And basically we have to find the area of this shaded portion. So let's see how to find out this one. But for that we need to find the side of the square. So we construct this right triangle from the square, that is SRQ. Here it is right triangle and this is represented, the diagonal is represented as SQ, which is in fact 7 root 2. So let's suppose that the side of the square we denote it as A, and this will also be A. It is SR and QR are basically the side of the square represented at A. So if we use the Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle at R, we can write down like this, that is A squared plus A squared. Sum of the squares of two legs is equal to the sum square of the hypotenuse, that is 7 root 2 square. So this is basically 2A squared equal to 49 times root 2 square is 2. So I write down as 2 so that I can cancel this 2, and when you do that we get A squared equal to 9, which means when you take the square root on both sides we get A equal to square root of 49 is 7, which means the side of the square is 7. So we can represent this as 7 centimeter over here as well as 7 centimeter over here, because all the four sides of a square are equal, which means these two sides will also be 7 centimeter. Now to find the area of the shaded region we write like this: area of shaded region. This is equal to area of sector SPQ minus area of triangle SPQ. Okay, so we'll be utilizing the formula to find the area of the sector, which is basically the theta by 360 times pi r squared. Theta is basically the central angle of the sector. So here this is the central angle, which is basically 90 degree. So we put 90 by 360 times pi times of radius PQ or SR. SP is the radius of the sector, which is basically 7. So we put 7 squared minus, and then area of the triangle. We know that it is, the formula is half BH, that is half times base into height. The base and height of the triangle are exactly the same, which is 7 centimeter. So you can write down this as half times 7 times 7. So let's simplify this. This will be, I can cancel this as 1/4. So this will be pi by 4 times 49 minus this will be 49 by 2. So if I factor the pi by 4 over here, I'll be getting, or in fact we can factor the 49 by 4, and we factor the 49 by 4 will be getting pi minus 2. And since this is an area, we write down as centimeter square. So this is the correct answer for this question.